Chapter 9 examines the nature of consumer judgment and decision-making when MAO is low. Sometimes low-effort decisions are made unconsciously, sometimes consciously. Unconscious decisions may be strongly influenced by environmental cues. Conscious low-effort decision-making can follow a hierarchy of effects in which thinking leads to behaving and results in feeling. For example, buying an ordinary pencil or pen involves low-effort decision. You have some beliefs about buying a black or blue ink pen, and then you directly go to a store to buy it. While using the pen or pencil, you have some feeling. You like it or you don't like it. The hierarchy of effects for high-effort decision-making is typically thinking, feeling, and behaving. An example for high-effort decision is buying a house. You have a lot of requirements for your ideal house. Those are the beliefs part. Before you pay the down payment, you must make sure that you really like this house. For simplicity, consumers making low-effort decisions may satisfy rather than optimize. They may also devise choice tactics over repeat purchase occasions through a process similar to operant conditioning. Cognitively based choice tactics include performance, habit, brand loyalty, price, and normative influence. Affective-based choice tactics include affect referral, brand familiarity, variety seeking, and impulse buying. Chapter 10 examines some of the major processes that occur after a decision has been made. Consumers sometimes develop post-decision dissonance, which is defined as a feeling of anxiety or uncertainty regarding a decision. Consumers are motivated to reduce dissonance by collecting additional information that is used to upgrade the chosen alternative and downgrade rejected ones. Post-decision regret is formed when the consumer feels that the wrong purchase decision was made. Consumers can learn from experience through a process of hypothesis testing in which they attempt to either confirm or disconfirm expectations by actually engaging in acquisition, consumption, or disposition. This process is influenced by motivation, prior knowledge or ability, ambiguity of the information, environment, or lack of opportunity. And two types of biases, the confirmation bias and overconfidence. Marketers can use several strategies to influence the learning process, depending on whether the offering is a top dog or an underdog. Satisfaction is both a subjective feeling and a positive evaluation that a decision has fulfilled a need or a goal. This satisfaction occurs when there are negative feelings and evaluations that goals or needs have not been fulfilled. It is important for marketers to keep consumers satisfied because losing consumers can be very costly in the long run. There are three major theories of satisfaction or dissatisfaction. The first one is the disconfirmation paradigm, which states that satisfaction occurs when performance disconfirms expectations in a positive way, and that dissatisfaction results from negative disconfirmations. The second theory of satisfaction is attribution theory, which states that dissatisfaction results when the cause of problem is determined to be permanent, marketer-related, and under volition. The third theory is equity theory. Equity theory states that satisfaction results when the buyers perceive fairness in the exchange. When consumers are dissatisfied, they respond to dissatisfaction by three ways. The first one is complaining or responding to service recovery efforts or engaging in negative word of mouth. Customer satisfaction may not be enough to prevent defections to competitors' brands. Customer retention strategies attempt to build customer loyalty. Finally, consumers can dispose of products in a variety of ways. This process has important implications for marketing strategy and an understanding of consumer behavior. Recycling, which is one form of disposition, is dependent on consumers' motivation, ability, and opportunity to act.